Hello, welcome back. I have iPad 11 generation for the glass replacement. You can see the touch is working, but you can see the glass is totally shuttered. So just put it there. You can heat up or you can put this rubbing alcohol to remove this edges, because this in iPad you'll find everything. You'll find adhesive tape all over the edges, and you'll find that kind of thick glue layer. So just gently apply this thing, and after this just put this soft knife or the plier right there, but in this case it's already broken. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to lift this up. Sorry, it's not coming in the, it was not coming in the video. So now this is the first step of this iPad. So be gentle when you're just doing this. So just put your plier, pull up, not down or straight. If you do this straight, it can hit the screen, and the screen is going to cost you more than the this digitizer or your repair. So be careful and very gentle, because it's very thin layer going around the side, and you'll find a couple of connectors and a few the camera or microphone connectors. So be careful. So just remove this thing on the top. See, it is in the bits and pieces, so be careful and wash your hand. Watch yourself while you're fixing this, because it will just come out this in bits and pieces. So be careful with that. And I know that some people will say you can heat up. Yeah, I also use that method too, and that is kind of easy thing. But in this thing, when you heat up, sometimes the inner displays melt, so I don't want to take a risk. So just you'll see there is a microphone right where is my thumb, so I'm not taking out those things. So let's remove the edges first and just make sure everything is properly coming out. You'll leave some glass behind, but doesn't matter, you can clean after that, just to make sure everything is coming out. You'll see the two big pieces now, and all the shuttered, but be careful as sharp edges, or you can see. So just after this, you need after removing this, see, you need this thing. This is a big panel over screws, or the star screws. After removing those screws, take out this screen display. You'll find those two connector, and there are a couple of screws right there. Remove the metal plate and disconnect the screen, and here the other metal plate also you'll find a couple of screws to disconnect the both connectors. This is a digitizer connector, and here's a screen. So remove this thing, and you'll see, here we go, and this is the first thing. So be careful when you're just removing glues from edges, because you'll find the few connector. If you cut those, your work gonna be more, and you have to put some extra part. So here I'm using the sharp knife. First I just put the glue, rubbing alcohol, and after cleaning up, so here's a new digitizer, or you would say the glass. So just two connectors you need to connect on the motherboard. This is the one, that's the other one, and you need some kind of support on the back side, which you can just do it after that. Just hold on a second. So you need some kind of support on the back side, so I just used something to support. Just both connectors are connected now. Now it's time to bring the screen, the LCD, or you can say the display, whatever. So after connecting this display connector to the motherboard, I need to install those metal plate. You'll find those metal plate, it will go only one position. Here is a smaller one. So the one you'll find the bigger one, the other one you will find the smaller one. So after this thing, after tighten the screws, here is the biggest screw. You need to just put it there. Sorry, my camera is focusing something else, I don't know. Here we go. So now is this after putting those, I think it's more than 8 screws around the sides. So after turning on, make sure the touch is working before close, otherwise it will give you hard time. So wipe those out, clean this screen, and just remove those packing from the adhesive tape. So here you'll find this is kind of difficult. Every time I just do this, it'll break. It breaks. So let's take out this plastic film, which is for the new. Just put everything, just clean the dust and properly align on the edges. You'll see on the top edge and right there on the sides, right and left. After that it will work. Touch is working. If you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friend, and if you want to repair me some kind of devices, let me know in the comments.